Hey, it's Adam with 1.3 Grown, here today to talk about one of the methods that we use to launch shells. Let's talk about hand lighting. During a hand lit show, typically we will use either a flare or a torch in order to ignite the shell. During this process, we will have to make sure that the black match or fuse is exposed for us to have easy access, as you can see here. Hand lighting shows is my personal favorite way of lighting shows. However, it is extremely dangerous due to the proximity to the mortar tubes. However, there's no better rush than the thump in the chest of lighting each shell, as you can see in these next few clips. So what do you guys think? Would you guys ever hand light a show?
Have to light